are going to make, it is called Firecracker Rice Krispie treats. And so we have red and blue. We're going to try to make the best out of this red. It's kind of a darker red, but we have everything set up here. We're just going to make the best out of this video. We don't know. My brother's in the back, so if you hear anything, because we can't get him to shut his mouth. So,
hi there.
That's just what it's going to be. We may get another visitor, my other brother. It's just the joy of having brothers. This is just how it worked out.
I don't think you're happy about having brothers.
So, no, I'm really not. So, we only have to color 2. I'm going to get... I'm just going to, like, drop them in there and then like, mix it up and make them color. No.
We melt the marshmallows.
No.
In butter. No, shush. We melt the marshmallows in butter.
We're doing it
And
on
we
the
color
stove.
that.
No,
That's what I'm talking about.
We
Okay.
don't melt those first. We melt it on the
You
stove.
wanted to melt the Rice Krispies?
The Rice Krispies don't melt. She's never cooked
That's
these on a stove before.
Yes, I have. I just mainly cook them in the microwave.
You
it's a lot
never
quicker.
never melt those in the microwave.
Oh my gosh, that's literally what half the world does.
Well, I'm the other half, and we're gonna do it my half of the way.
You 1%.
Okay.
What are
You
you
can
doing?
go get a spoon, and we're coloring them. Are you? Oh my gosh.
She's gonna ruin this all.
Wait, maybe we should color them after they're cooked. And
Oh my gosh,
almost
that's
melted.
what I've been saying this whole time.
Okay.
Shouldn't you get white also?
This is gonna be white. We're not coloring this.
Oh.
Okay. We're just gonna cook this first. Move. Don't.
Jenna, you made a mess.
No, I didn't. There's literally one Rice Krispie.
2, 3,
Here, we're just gonna get this
4,
hot because that's
5,
all that's needed.
6, 7. Plus like 1,000 on the ground. There. Right there.
Crumbs. Wait, put this back. Okay. This is gonna. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is not gonna work out. Okay, let's.
We gotta show it.
Okay. We need one stick. Okay. Get one. Dump. Wait, no. We should melt the marshmallows first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we melt
So
all the marshmallows and this little stick of butter, and then we'll divide them up into bowls.
yes.
Yes.
Right, in those bowls. Okay, Austin, please stop.
Teamwork.
Okay, should we melt all these?
Wait, let's melt the butter first.
True. Okay, I need a spoon. Austin, please stop
Okay.
touching things. I'm gonna hurt you.
We're getting a stick of butter. Oh yeah, hear that sizzle.
There's a stick of butter for you.
Hey guys, we're adding the marshmallows.
And I'm trying to find equals.
Okay, Bailey. Oh my gosh. Should I turn it
Jenna,
on?
just stop it. Hey guys.
It's gonna take forever to melt.
This video is sponsored by the Echoes. I'm kidding.
Also, you can't say that. We could be sued. Okay,
Now we're just gonna wait for.
we
all these
did
to
burn the
melt.
butter, didn't we?
Oh my gosh! I freaking told you. What did I tell you? I told her, I'm like, make sure to stir along the edges because it's gonna burn the butter. And she's like, butter doesn't burn. And then 5 minutes later.
I've never burnt butter before.
5 minutes later, we burnt the butter.
Well, what was I supposed to do? This is a lot of marshmallows. It's okay. It'll be good still. It'll taste good.
Ew.
Oh
Ew,
my
they look
gosh.
brown.
I think
I think we need more.
Yeah, I think we should have done less butter. Yeah.
Or just more marshmallows. How much more? How much more?
Yeah, maybe.
Or maybe just this bags.
Yeah, just do the rest of the bag. Then we can use marshmallows again.
More.
Yeah, but we can
More
always buy
Rice
more.
Krispies. That's a Pinterest idea. I'm gonna look it up on Pinterest.
Okay, Bailey, this is like clumping, not melting. Maybe
This is
we
why
should
you
have
can't
done
be trusted in the kitchen.
Exactly. This is why I don't cook. Okay, you do that.
As you can tell, you guys, Jenna doesn't cook.
I took one cooking class and learned nothing. Okay, that's looking fine. That looks normal now. Honestly, we
I'm
just
telling
didn't
you,
use
my
many.
just special touch. You look at all the butter at the bottom just seeping
That's
through.
so gross, but it's gonna taste good.
Butter
If
always
it
tastes
doesn't,
good.
then it's fine. Even when it's butter. Okay, I
Burnt
feel like it should
butter.
be more stretchy, not like clumpy.
Well, it's
But
not.
we didn't use many
Well,
marshmallows.
look, they're not all
Yeah.
melted
Wait,
yet.
should I turn it higher?
Infinity War.
We'll be back when we're.
Hey guys, we added the Rice Krispies.
Ow, my burnt myself.
And we had a third bowl of them over
But we
there,
don't
but we
really
don't.
have enough marshmallows.
Actually, maybe we do for a little bit
Just
of it.
like not even half of it. Haley, no, it's not even sticking together. Stop.
Yes, it will.
Ah.
Okay. So it turned out pretty good. Scrape that side.
Oh my gosh, this is getting like.
Oh my gosh.
I don't have enough muscles for this. This is why you
Okay,
work
well
out.
let's hurry and do it before they start setting up.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, split it into 3 bowls. Okay, let me do this.
Okay, wait, where should we put these?
Just.
Where's another bowl?
Bailey, help me. What do I do with this? It's hot.
You do it.
You're so retarded. Okay. Yeah, we need another bowl. Maybe I'm not the brains.
I know. You never were. I just gave you it to make you feel better.
Oh, by the way, later today, we're going to go see Annabelle Comes Home. And we're probably going to scream in front of everyone.
We are?
You're not.
It's rated R.
Yeah.
Where am I going then?
You're staying here. And Mom's going to come pick you up later.
Is your dad going with us?
I don't think so, because he works.
It's gonna melt. It's gonna melt.
Bailey, I can't! Fast enough, it's going to get everywhere. Okay, you need to help me. Get another spoon.
I have another spoon, but I'm gonna mix in the color once you finish.
I'm going to mix in the color, too. I called it blue. Actually, I don't trust myself with the blue. Bailey, no, I'm not done.
Then hurry and put
I
it in.
called the red.
You're not doing anything.
Okay, so we have them. Bailey, shut
My
up.
hands are all buttery.
So we have them all colored. We're gonna mix them more with our hands.
Ow!
That's kind of not blue enough, but that's okay. Okay. So then we have the white one. She has the blue. It feels really a lot like slime. We're gonna.
It's like hot slime.
Yeah, this is difficult because now we have to spread them out, and it's hot, and this was just filled.
And die, please.
I'll grab it.
And die, please, Kay.
Okay, Austin, please get your hand out of the camera.
I'm a slithery snake.
Okay, Bailey, so you flatten them out like this. Are you retarded? Baking is not our specialty.
It is mine.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Have
Watch me whip.
These aren't perfect. Your discretion advised. This is not working how I wanted it to.
Yeah, because we took too long to color them.
Yeah, we did.
So they just
Watch me
stiffened up.
die.
Should we just
Watch
make
me
it into a
die.
sandwich?
No, you have to do this first because then you cut it into squares.
There's plenty of room for the blue.
We should just walk on it.
Ew.
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
No, if we actually like put our put our feet in like that.
Are you seeing this right now?
This isn't really working though.
No, it's not. This is kind of just. This whole thing kind of failed. It's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Yeah.
Pinterest is kind of like
Sucky.
fake.
It can be good
your
sometimes.
But it can be fake too.
Yeah, like it can be good sometimes, but then other times then it's just
Do you remember when we tried to make the Oreo brownie things?
yeah. Those actually weren't a complete fail though.
Those were actually really good, but they like were not. Okay, I think we should just stop them now. Okay, that's good. I have no idea how to do.